The Porsche Macan of 2023 is a sporty, urban vehicle with lots of standard amenities, model-specific styling elements. Porsche has expanded its lineup of Macan T features, which include adaptive suspension and the well-liked Sport Chrono package from the company, which comes with a number of drive modes and a launch control feature. The Porsche Macan shares a unique design aesthetic with the Porsche Cayenne. On the front of the car, there are two small trapezoidal-shaped air intakes, a large trapezoidal air inlet, daytime running lights, and typical circular fog lights. The headlamps are geometric, upward curving, and sleek. On the back, there are side-swept tube design tail lights, a regular tailgate with a lip spoiler, and a rear diffuser. Sports exhaust pipes, roof rails, a trailer hitch, side skirts, a stainless steel skid plate, and the Porsche Dynamic Light System, PDLS, are all available extras. Additionally, there are 3 standard wheels and an additional 6 optional wheels. The interior of the Macan is excruciatingly ordinary in comparison to other crossovers of similar class and reputation, and putting the Porsche crest to it is expensive. The interior of the Macan features a sophisticated and minimalistic design and can be customized with a variety of seating and upholstery materials. Despite the excellent build quality, the interior lacks some of the ingenuity and richness that some competitors provide. The Macan's infotainment system is renowned for being user-friendly, having quick response times, and having good graphics. The cascading, dash-mounted buttons are rationally arranged, despite their threatening appearance at first. The Macan is especially lacking in Android Auto. The 10.9-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4 USB-C ports, satellite radio, and a 10-speaker audio system are all included in the infotainment system as standard. Wireless device charging, a 16-speaker Burmester sound system, a 3-zone automated climate control system, and a universal garage door opener are all available infotainment options. The inline-4 turbocharged engine in the 2023 Macan and mid-range Macan T produces 261 horsepower, which is sufficient for daily driving and interstate cruising. Incredible speed is provided by 2 twin-turbo V6 engines, with the Macan S having 375 horsepower and the Macan GTS having 434 horsepower. The GTS accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, while the Macan S takes Porsche's projected 4.6 seconds. A few of the driver assistance and safety features that come standard on the 2023 Macan include rain-sensing wipers, front collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane change assist, front and rear parking sensors, lane departure warning, high-beam headlights, rear-view camera, sun visor, point monitoring, parking assist, surround parking camera system, and lane keeping assist.